how to cut text in Canva. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our Canva website right here and then go into one of our projects. So once we are now here, the next thing that we need to do is to just go here in this part and then add a text. So what we're going to do first is to add a text first. So let's say, for example, that we are going to create a logo which is DC. So we're going to first add the D in this part, and then let's do the letter C next. So we're going to duplicate this, and then let's convert this into letter C. And then once it is done, the next thing that we need to do is to just, of course, go here in this part and do this edit. And then the next thing that we need to do to cut it is to just click the first letter, which is the letter D, and then go here in the effects. And then in the effects under the style, you will see a bunch of style that you can choose from. So what we're going to do next is to just click the shadow. And now the next thing that we need to do is to edit the direction, which is in this part. And then let's turn this into color white so it does blend in the background. And then let's put the position forward like this one. So let's go back into effects and let's put the transparency into 100%. And then for the offset, we can also adjust it like this one right here. And as you can see right there, if we do that, as you can see, it looks like that we have just cut the text in Canva. So if you want to save it, you can just click the share button and click the download right here. And that's basically it. So that is how to cut text in Canva.